Hi, I'm Gloria. I'm the international sales at Liaoning in the steel structure building industry. My job is help customers turn their building ideas into real. I work together with our engineers and production team on everything, from the building design, material specifications, steel fabrication and surface treatment, to contracts, shipment, and installation support. I stay in close contact with clients through video calls, phone calls, and emails. We discuss project details. Whenever possible, I visit clients during the exhibitions abroad and learn more about local culture and customs. I'm familiar with portal frame buildings, warehouses, workshops, and customized steel structures, and I understand standards like ASTM, ISO, and CE. I like learning new things about steel structure and use our company's resources to help customers solve problems and feel confident throughout the whole project. My goal is simple: provide accurate quotations and respond quickly, support every project from design to installation. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you.